Hey, what's up, guys? So today on the day in the life,
guys, so we're traveling up right now to La Puente from Long Beach, going to pick up a transmission for a 2007 Scion TC. So my buddy called me this morning, let me know that he's got a friend of his, he had a Scion, transmission went out, and he's looking to get rid of it for cheap. Offered him $400, he took it. So I had a tow truck pick it up, taking it to my boy's shop, gonna get it repaired, but first I gotta stop by somewhere to get the transmission. It's gonna cost me about $250. Picked up the car for $4. I should be able to net a profit, and hopefully this will all be done within a week. I'm talking about getting the car, taking it to the shop, picking up the transmission, installing the transmission, and get it sold. So we'll see what's up. It'll for sure make money. I think it'll be a quick flip. I'm gonna list it for very cheap, so we'll see how it all works out. Man, so everything worked out so good for me with this deal. So I was calling around, ended up finding a transmission for $200 and 90-day warranty. Like, really? That's pretty crazy to me. So pretty excited. Picking up the transmission is gonna be out of this store very shortly. Gonna get it installed also today, and then the car is gonna go up for sale within the next couple days. So my boy Oscar, when you're searching for a good deal, you literally figure out what the problem is, figure out how much parts are going to cost, how much labor is going to cost, what the car goes for, subtract the amount, and you know where you're going to make profits. But people love to make things just difficult, you know. Just you got to trust yourself when you're doing these things, and once you know what the hell you're doing, man, it's not that freaking hard. You know what I mean? You're not paying employees. You're using your own time, you're investing your own time to get this stuff done, right? Because you're trying to get to that next level. So this was perfect. You know, I met this guy Oscar right now. Never in a million years, you know, did I think this guy was gonna come out, talk to me. You know, we were just shooting the shit. I told him this is the first time I'm coming over to this shop. Like, what do they specialize in? And he told me, don't worry about it. You need anything, send me a picture, send me a text message. I got it for you. Don't worry. Just contact me directly. And I'm like, all right, bro, let's dance, you know? So that's cool. I got his contact information, added him in my list of people. I keep everything very organized now. That way, if I need something in the future, boom, I can reach out. Just right there in the notes on my iPhone, you know, it's not that serious. So this all worked out. I picked up the transmission for $200, like I said before, and we're gonna net some profits. You know, it's gonna take 5 days, less than a week to get everything done. You hear the car revving? Oh, guess what? I don't care about having a truck or not. Guess what? I got a trunk. I cleared it out. It's fucking. I got the transmission in the back of the Beamer. Lay down some freaking cardboard. It's not that serious. If you're looking to really, you know, make a little extra money for yourself, just do it, you know, don't cry about it. So next stop, the homie shop.